Future millionaires, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. My name is Demetress Fairman. We have a pink set today here, but don't mind that because the video is going to be good regardless. So recently I was watching a video by one of my friends. His name is MomentsbyBoothe and his channel is MomentsbyBoothe, and he does real estate videos, he does real estate tours, basically anything with a house, he might go review it. And congratulations to him because he just got to 5,000 subscribers. Like, this man legit grow like this.
Motion.
That's the pace of his channel. Back to the story. So I was watching his videos and I saw houses with some price points that are normal, some average, and then we have some expensive houses. And then I was thinking, how can the average Jamaican know or have a ballpark figure of how they can afford these houses? How can they possibly turn them into an investment property, or how can they afford one to live in? Let's give them some figures. And being the type of guy that I am, of course I'm going to want to know how much money I need to invest or how much money am I going to need to buy a house. So that is what this video is about today. I will be doing a real estate series where I react to these houses, give you a breakdown of how much they cost, what would your income need to be to afford these houses, what will your monthly repayment be, and how you can possibly flip this into an investment property. So the first property that we're going to look in today is in Royal Pines, and this is in Portmore. So without further ado, that's my favorite word if you're new to this channel, let's jump into this video.
Alright, so we're here at the Royal Pines of Portmore and we're about to step inside the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit, which is 980 square feet.
Alright, so remember that value. We're going to have a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit which adds up to 980 square feet. We're not talking about the lot size as yet, we're just talking about the size of the home.
Both the 2-bedroom units and the 3-bedroom units have a lot size of 3,500 square feet to 4,010 square feet, and the house size for the 3 bedrooms is a square footage of 1,160 square feet.
And then we're going to talk about the lot size, and he said for the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom lot size, which is the one that we're looking at right now, the lot size is 3,500 square feet. So that's approximately average when it comes to lot sizes being sold in schemes like these or gated communities.
So as we step inside, we notice that on our left there's this beautiful artwork. Like, I really love this artwork. And there's a power outlet right there, and we'll swivel back around to the front side of the property where there's a nice large window here that will showcase outside. Currently, as you can see, outside is not paved off as yet, but once it is paved and you have your green grass planted and you also have trees planted as well, your flowers.
So one thing we can notice right off the bat is that these constructions are similar to the ones that we keep seeing popping up all over, where you have this like V-shaped housing. Not sure of that housing style design, but you know what I'm talking about. And then everything is like a all-in-one thing, open concept, where you have the living room, a little dining area, and then you will have the kitchen in one long area. So I'm guessing that's what most of these developers are going for right now in terms of how they want to construct or design their household.
This is staged for you to see it. It is with a center table in your living room area. You have your couch right here, another couch right here, and your TV in the corner here. But you could hang the TV on this wall right here where it has a better viewing angle for persons that are sitting in this chair.
Yeah, exactly. I wouldn't put the TV in the corner because the TV look like they're behind everybody that will be sitting in the couch. So a good thing is that Akeem said put it up on the door, but then if the door swing on the inside, which it doesn't look like it swing on the inside, it look like it swing on the outside, so it wouldn't hit on the TV or anything like that. So you can put the TV on the wall there. Don't really like that design because you don't have anywhere to put the TV, so it's kind of weird. But anyways, we can watch more video.
So there's actually a ceiling fan right here, which is a nice touch, which will bring a lot of nice breeze into the property.
Yeah, it's Portmore. You're gonna need the breeze. But the fan alone can't help you with that. You're gonna need to install some AC too. But hopefully those fans come with the unit, because I like a little wooden touch there of the fan, ceiling fan, so that good.
That's how it looks. So we have another artwork that matches the one on the other side. And there we go with the large TV. There's a power outlet right here I can see. And then in this open concept living, dining, and kitchen area, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 windows. And then there is a facility in place for your air conditioning unit for your living room. Dining room table is dynamite. I love the transparency of it. It's always nice when places and things are transparent. There's another power outlet right here. And of course, a nice window right here so you can see the outside of your property. And of course, you always want to get a corner lot if you can. So as long as you can get a corner lot, that's always a good touch.
Yeah, man, true. Because when you get the corner lot, you get a little bit more space to work with. And most of the times you have trees around the corner lot, so you can have that natural cooling effect from the breeze. But space is a good thing when it comes to corner lots.
These houses are also detached. So you get a front yard, a backyard, and a side yard space. For your backdoor planting, you can plant fruits and vegetables in your backyard for you to eat what you grow and grow what you eat. So there's another power outlet right there. I also forgot to mention that there is a light right there. There's another one over here. There's another one right here. And then there's another one right here. Plus the light in the fan. And another light up ahead right here before we even get into the kitchen. So this place will be extremely lit. So we step off into this beautiful granite countertop. Let me turn my lights off. Turn your lights down low.
What is this man? You think I'm a singer?
Marble on this beautiful, beautiful granite countertop. There are also some breakfast stools or bar stools here where, you know, the kids.
Yeah, man, I like those bar stools. I like them bar stools, and them look very nice. Like, I like the finish of them. I always want some good bar stools because I think it just makes the place look better. Me personally, I wouldn't have a dining table in these houses, like kind of on the smaller side. If you have a family, then yes, I understand. But if you're single or if you're just living with your partner, I think that you can just use the bar stools and use that part of the kitchen counter as your dining table, and then maximize on that living room space. Or turn it into a small office. That's what I would do. But so far, the kitchen will look good. The spaces that you get in this kitchen is a lot bigger than some of the spaces that I've seen, especially in the Old Harbor area. So this housing looks very good. I like the finishes of the countertops and also the cabinets. You have a lot of storage in that kitchen. I like the aesthetics.
As we look at the cabinetry inside this space, it's actually cedar wood from the hills of Portland that are inside this space, which is a beautiful touch. I love that we're using our local wood as the land of wood and water to facilitate developments like this. But we also know that for every tree you cut down, you plant 10 more, all right?
Yeah, man, you have to plant back. I'm not sure about the type of finishes that they use for these cabinets, but if Booth says from the hills of Portland and cedar wood, it sounds expensive. So it sounds like you're getting good value for your money, so you can't really complain with the cabinetry. And then them look properly finished, them look like some little cheap plyboard them use and do it when I no time to go mildew. It look like something with sense. It look like something will have value. So I guess the future homeowners will actually like the finishes that are in their house.
Like, look at the marbling on this. It is absolutely beautiful. There's another power outlet right here for your microwave, your toaster oven, your NutriBullet, anything you want to put in this space in your kitchen. Your what's that thing called again? Jesus.
Air fryer.
Quick cooker, I can't remember the name. Oh, Instapot. Yes, your Instapot can be placed over there as well. There's also
Real told mine about the Instapot.
When you put the, I don't remember the name of this thing, but the thing that sucks the air
No, extractor them call the extraction fan or something. Me know it matter, like you turn it on and it's like a vent.
The hot air and oil and grease and all that out of this area when you're cooking up a storm right here. So
not sure why they have that finishing on the back of the backsplash finishing, but like them design, they make it place look more modern and futuristic, you know? So maybe them are going to do that. Maybe that's why they're not finish paint up that area right there.
This is where your refrigerator will be located. There's another lighting facility right there and another one right here. But this is where your refrigerator will be located, and it doesn't matter what size refrigerator you get because there's still space to the side there and there's still space to the side here, so you can have an even wider.
I like that. Space for your fridge, because most of these places just come with an empty box for your kitchen. The only thing you can know where exactly fit where you're supposed to go are the stove, because you know it's a stove normally fit between the cupboard them and the counter.
What is a beautiful touch by this developer, we know that there are some homes out there that are being made and they don't come with a wash.
This is great, because like me personally, I don't want my washing machine to be outside. And it's not the fact that somebody will thief it, because you can always grill it up, but when people come and cut your lawn and then know them cut it too low and then the stone them just hit up your washing machine, you don't want that, because you buy a washing machine, you want it to last, right? And if push come to shove and you're willing to sell it back, you want to be in good condition, right? You don't want no battle scars from stones and debris hitting it. Also, most of these washing machines have a digital display, a digital interface on the top. And what you know about sun and LCD screens are just buttons overall. It is going to damage the interface, and then you know how digital things go. If the interface damage, then how are you going to use that device? What is so hard for some of these developers to build a space to put your washing machine on the inside? Just run the plumbing there and get it done. I appreciate that washroom. That's a 10 out of 10 for me by just implementing a washroom.
Now this is your back door that leads into your backyard. So let me show you what between 3,000 and 4,100 square footage lot space looks like, especially.
Backspace not bad. Backspace is good. You can have good line. You might not have enough space to do like a expansion of the house or a big expansion. Maybe you can expand and put on like a 1 bedroom, or maybe you can expand and put a patio, or them call it a foyer, over the back right there. Just a little lounge area. Or maybe you can do a small swimming pool if your money big like that. But you have enough space for the things around the back. I'm actually like that.
So just imagine you plant a lot of trees on the side of this place. You have your mango tree right here, your sweet sap tree, your breadfruit tree.
Yeah man. And being a countryman, that's a place for fruitful, bro.
The walls are actually reinforced concrete, so you don't have to worry about ever this place crumbling on you or anything of the sort, because this place is built tough. So you can call this place Ford, because it's definitely built tough.
Yo, this man full of some little one-line punches, man. Some little one-line jokers, man, but it's built tough. Built like Ford.
And let's move into bedroom number 1, which is actually the secondary bedroom, and here is a lighting fixture right here. So this is the shared bathroom, so we'll get to that in a second, but this is the secondary bedroom. So stepping inside here, we see where there is 2 twin beds, and you know, of course, you can also fit a queen size bed in here if you only have 1.
So this bedroom looks like it's a good size bedroom because you have 2 twin bed in there. So this is the secondary room that is for the children, because this looks like a family home. And I have 2 twin size bed in there. So even if you don't have children, you can easily convert this to have a queen size, and you can put your dresser, your chester.
And to show you that this space is really designed for your son and daughter, the closets have a bit of isolation in terms of you have 1 section here on this side for your son or daughter. Boom, boom.
And then you have the closet that they built, so it's not like a walk-in per se, it's just a nice enough closet for the secondary bedroom. So the kids get them own doors, even though everything connected, as what Akeem said. They have them own doors where they can open up, so it's nice space of the room. Not the biggest closet, but if you're going to use it for a kid's room, you don't need a huge closet because they're going to have maybe their dresser and the chest to store clothes also.
So moving into the shared bath, boom, which is a nice space. It has the same cedar wood like in the kitchen, and that wood is solid. There's also a solid granite countertop, which is beautiful. We have the lighting fixture right here for the bathroom. There's also a power outlet here for you to charge your phone, listen to music while you're in the bathroom, for your curling iron, your hair dryer, all that jazz. It's there for your convenience.
Alright, so moving into the bathroom, it looks like the typical bathroom space that we see in most of these constructions or these newly built designs. It's not the biggest, it's not the prettiest, but it gets the job done. The space is enough. What I'm seeing here looks like a standing shower, so they're removing the tub to maybe get more space per se, to have some showers, because tell the truth, I know much people use a bath the way a bath is intended to be used. Baths are made for soaking, and much of us now run up our water bills like that for soak, so it makes sense we just use a shower. And then now we have the same finishes that is inside the kitchen, the cedar wood. So Booth said it's good quality, so it's good quality. And then we have normal faucets. So this bathroom is a normal finish, not a high-end finish, but it's a starter home, so decent enough finishes to get you going.
And going into the master, we realize the master is large. This is a queen bed, but you can definitely fit a king size bed inside here.
Alright, so the master don't look bad. The master look like a typical master bedroom in most of these designs. Like, you're gonna hear me say that a lot, that it resembles what the construction or the developers are doing right now. So these master bedroom sizes look like you have a nice queen bed here. You have the walk-in closet in the previous room. You have a little bit more space. So I was wrong, you maybe cannot fit a Chester, but this person has one night table and they have the dresser. So that's good. And then they have their own bathroom, or they call it an ensuite bathroom. So they have their own bathroom. You can easily maybe mount a TV on that wall.
The dresser right here can definitely fit a chest of drawers inside here. And there goes your boy. Hey. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe if you're loving this tour thus far.
Yeah man, go and show the man some love. Go on over to his channel. Tell him that Demetress Fairman sent you. Spam him comment section. Subscribe to him. Yo, this man is going like this in his channel. 5K already. So who knows? Maybe by next year the man reach 10K. So go on over there. Show him some love. Subscribe to the channel. Share him videos. And maybe you can go over there to watch more real estate videos, because he will go really in depth with these real estate videos. I'm just giving you a synopsis to tell you how you can afford these real estate properties.
So let me open up this closet, his and hers, because you have one side for him, one side for her.
This closet not that bad because it doesn't impede on the room size. Like the secondary bedroom, they had a closet that was built out, but this one has it built into the wall, so it doesn't really impede or take away from the space of the room.
So let's move into the primary bath. So the primary bath comes with the same granite countertop, the same cedar wood from Portland. So we have the same wood running all throughout this property. A nice touch in terms of uniformity in your home. We have the nice backsplash inside this bathroom as well. Water is not flowing as yet, but it's the same faucet that's inside. The other bathroom, it's a pretty decent vanity. I love these shower curtains. You guys already know me.
Alright, so it's the same bathroom, basically a twin of the previous one in the secondary or the shared one. Alright, so the tour is finished. So now to get into the financials of this real estate property. The first thing that Booth said when he was discussing this property is that it costs 18 million Jamaican dollars to start. But you know, maybe if you want to improve any finishes, then that price will go up. But we're going to keep to the standard $18 million. So after knowing how much the property costs, which in this case is 18 million, what most real estate agents and financial advisors advise you to do is to have 10% of the purchase cost or 10% of the property cost in savings or liquid assets. So in this case, 10% of the 18 million would be 1.8 million. So you'd have to have 1.8 million Jamaican saved up in your bank book. And most of the times they will say 10%, but sometimes when you have closing fees and bank fees and everything, you'll have 15%, but they always refer 10%. So we're going to go with a 10% down payment. The third thing that you want to consider is that, yes, you have your $1.8 million in your bank book or wherever you have it in assets saved up for your down payment, but then you're still going to have a balance of 16.2 million to pay. So are you going to do that through a bank? Are you going to do that through some borrowing the money? But anyway, take it, not many of us will have 16 million put on in our pockets. So we're going to need a loan. So are you going to get that loan joint finance with NHT and a mortgage institution or strictly a mortgage institution? So the next step is to approximate how much your monthly mortgage repayment is going to be. So we get our pre-approval from the loan for the remaining 16.2 million, and we have the 1.8 million. So to figure out how our monthly repayment would go, we'll just basically use a mortgage calculator on the internet, and VMBS has one and JN has one, but I'll be using the JN one. So when we go on the mortgage calculator, we can just talk through the steps. So the home price is going to be 18 million Jamaican dollars. So that's 18 million right there. Then our down payment is going to be 1.8 million Jamaican dollars. And we're going to get maybe an average interest rate of around 7%. That's the last one I got when I got quoted from Scotia. So around 7%. And then we'll get around 30 years to repay. And of course, we are going to apply our NHT benefit because we're going to do joint financing. And when we do the NHT amount, NHT lends up to a maximum of 6.5. That's going to be a variety of factors, which mostly includes your age, if you already take a loan with NHT, and then how much you make per month. But we're going to give you the maximum 6.5 million. So we put in that 6.5 million at an interest rate of 4%. We can see that our monthly repayment on this loan is going to be approximately $103,505.13. Now that we know what our monthly mortgage repayment is going to be, what real estate agents and financial advisors tell you is that it is best that you make 3 to 4 times your monthly mortgage repayment. So in this case, our mortgage repayment is $103,505.13. Let's make 3 to 4 times that amount for your monthly income. Basically, for an individual to afford this place and to pay their mortgage comfortably and don't have to fight to get extra money to pay this mortgage, they would have to make between the ranges of 310,000 Jamaican dollars to 415,000 Jamaican dollars per month. Yes, that's a lot, and not much of us can qualify to fit in that gap. But to me, that would be the optimal pay range or income range for you to afford this property comfortably or to make a comfortable mortgage repayment. Because not only house we have to pay for, because most of us are going to have cars, student loan, and a family and bills to take care of. So we want to make sure that this mortgage is in a comfortable range for us to can afford it. But if you are one of those lucky few and you want to afford this property and you want to buy this property, then you can reach out to MomentsbyBoothe on Instagram, and then he will direct you to the real estate agent or to the agents or the developers who are selling this property at Royal Pines in Portmore. Portmore is going to be a booming area very soon. It is booming right now. It's going to be even more boominger, if that's even a word. But you can just check him out right there, and you can get more information on the Portmore Royal Pines development. But if you are a person who wants to invest in the stock market and you don't want to go through the headache of owning real estate property, then you can just watch Stock Market for Beginners Part 4. I have that video on my channel, so you can just head on over there and give it a watch. Thank you for watching. See you next time.